shipping ngayon sa Pilipinas. At kahit naman hindi lang during these times, marami pa rin po sa atin nag-aasam na umuwi sa Pilipinas at mag-retire. And if you are one of those at kailangan nyo ng tulong, nandito po ang Manila Forwarder to help you. Returning on the show, Manny Pais of Manila Forwarder. Hello and welcome back once again. Suki na ng Kababayan LA. Manny, you have some programs for returning residents, no? Marami ba talagang umuwi?
Actually, ito talagang everyday we're shipping the household goods of Filipinos back to the Philippines. Best time to actually. Talagang yung iba kasi they're trying to yung mga mortgage nila and everything. Pag umuwi sila sa Pilipinas, wala silang babayaran na monthly. Kasi nakapag-invest na sila o sa bahay ng nanay-tatay nila, yung ancestral home nila. Doon sila titira. So wala silang monthly payments.
Pero yung furniture na na-accumulate nila dito, siniship ngayon. Pati kotse.
Yeah, pati kotse. Ang daming nagsiship ngayon.
How does that go? They call you and then they schedule. Then you tell us the process.
Actually, remember before we had the Deputy Consul General nandito and explain natin yan, yung projects ng mga rules sa shipping household goods and personal effects. They get a visa, yung dual citizen. So aside from the right to vote dito, meron din sila exemption. Maraming plus na makukuha sila pag nag-dual citizen. They could ship their household goods to the Philippines tax-free. And then, of course, they have the privilege. It's not a right, it's a privilege to ship yung vehicles. Allowed silang mag-ship ng mga kotse nila.
Pero tinatax yun?
Yun, may tax yun.
Yung mga furniture, walang tax. Malaki na rin yun.
Ay, oo, laki sa ibig.
I know that Manila Forwarder, you help them also with those visas, di ba?
Correct.
Oo. So, hindi lang kayo talagang hindi lang kayo nagpo-forward ng stuff, you also help them.
Full service tayo. Kasama yung travel agency natin. It's part of the license and travel agency to help with the visa processing. So we do that. We're licensed din ng Philippine Retirement Bureau, yung investor's visa. We could handle that from here pa lang. Dito pa lang na-process na natin yun. Accredited tayo sa Pilipinas.
Okay, that said, if there's one very important tip that they shouldn't take lightly pag umuwi ng Pilipinas, ano yun? Anong mapapayo mo sa kanila?
Ang una-una since it's a big step when you're relocating back, so pag-aralan lang maigi. In fact, sa website natin, sa manilaforwarder.com, click nyo yung relocation, ang daming pointers, ang daming information sila makikita. Talagang very complete yun. It took us years na i-develop yun. Kaya take your time na pagbasa doon. Talagang kompleto siya.
And that is the website on the screen. Meanwhile, para naman doon sa mga iba na hindi pa sigurado, parang ayaw pang umuwi, magpapadala na lang muna sila ng box sa kanilang mga mahal sa buhay sa Philippines. You have an ongoing sale.
Tama yan. Itong May kasi, twice a year we have a sale. Yung thank you sale sa January, tsaka yung 5 de Mayo sale sa May. Talagang ang baba ng padala. 55 lang, all over Luzon, pare-parehong rate.
Wow!
Ang jumbo box naman, 65 lang, all over Luzon. Tapos sa Visayas, Mindanao, ang baba rin. Up to May lang yun, kaya take advantage.
Up to May lang yan. May ano na ba ngayon? Ako, 2 more weeks to go for May. So take advantage. Ako po, pagka may box, lagi ako sa Manila Forwarder. Maski yung jumbo box, I like your jumbo box, malaki siya, maraming nalalagay. And Manny, one last tip naman para dun sa mga nagpapadala ng mga gamit nila, mga regalo nila sa mahal nila sa buhay sa Philippines. Because I know, sometimes nightmare pa rin yun, diba?
Correct. Importante talaga pumili sila ng tamang company. Like kanina kakwentuhan natin, naging victim sila ng ibang company na fly-by night. It's important na take a small time, spend a short time na mag-research kung ano yung company ginagamit.
Ayan. At kung gusto nyo pong hanapin ng Manila Forwarder, that's the number, toll-free number to call on the screen. Also, we showed you the website earlier so you can get more information about them. Thank you so much and more power to you.
Salamat.
Magbabalik pa po ang Kababayan LA Election News once again when we return. Don't go away.